But moving on to earnings corner, where India's third biggest lender by assets, Hdfc Bank has reported a strong set of numbers for the third quarter. The bank's net interest income surged a whopping 17.4% on annual comparison to over 8,300 crore rupees. Even its net profit grew by over 15%, inching closer to the 3,900 crore rupee mark. Asset quality remains stable for now. Ritu Singh joins in now with the details. Ritu, take us to the fine print. The profits at this point in time in this quarter are the lowest that Hdfc has seen in recent times, but it's still higher than expectation and higher than most of its peers.
Absolutely, Kritika. You know, Hdfc Bank has had a record of reporting over 20% profit growth levels for the past several years. In fact, since its inception, it has never reported profit growth of below 20%. So this quarter really is an aberration. Of course, much of it has to do with demonetization and their impact. Also, with the fact that FCNRP deposits matured of worth over $2 billion. So all of that taken into account, yes, profit growth was low. But then again, it was much higher than industry average. It was even higher than what the street was anticipating at 15% YOY. This was driven by a good growth in net interest income, operating profit, as well as other income. Net interest income, which is the difference between the interest expended and the interest earned, that was about 17.5% on the back of a loan growth, including domestic and international, of 13.5%. If you look at only the domestic loan growth, has also been pretty healthy at 17.5%. But the sequential growth, of course, was 2.7%, very low and muted on account of demonetization, of course, which has been the case across banks that have reported numbers so far in this quarter. Deposits were up about 21% again on the back of demonetization, which really helped lower cost. Asset quality, as usual, remained very stable. Gross NPAs at 1.05 and net NPAs at 0.32%. Margins contracted slightly in this quarter to 4.1. But remember, the management has guided that it will be able to retain that margin band of 4 to 4.3%. So all in all, a very good quarter from Hdfc Bank. No surprises there, really.